Hello, and welcome to the Math 0361 Practice Test 1 review. In question 1, we would like to evaluate the following. And in order to evaluate, we would like to use something that you probably learned as PEMDAS. Let me write that down. In PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, meaning we should take care of anything in parentheses first. So looking at the parentheses, I see 8 plus 4 exponent 2. Well, 4 exponent 2 is 16, and 8 plus 16 is 24. Next, we should take care of the exponent. And 5 exponent 2 is 25. So what's left is 24 divided by 8. If I can get this division to work. There we go. Times 25. Okay. So, you'll notice we have a division and we have a multiplication. Well, notice that I wrote multiplication and division, M and D, in red, and I did that intentionally. Technically, multiplication and division are the same rank. The tiebreaker is who comes first. And in this equation, it's the division that comes first. So 24 divide 8 is actually 3. And then finally, 3 times 25 is equal to 75. Alright, question 2. I see this parentheses and I would like to take care of the parentheses first. And 4 minus 2 is indeed 2. Afterwards, you do see a 3 outside, and you do see an exponent 2. Well, 2 is the exponent, so that has to come next. And 2 exponent 2 is 4. What can happen now is that 4 can multiply to 3 to become 12. But don't forget, we still have the 2 plus and the minus 5. So 2 plus 12 is 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. Number 3 would like us to evaluate the expression. So let's replace x with 11, y with 2, z with 3. Let's just do the top first, and then when we're done, we'll deal with the bottom. So x is going to be 11 plus 2 times y is also 2. Well, 2 times 2 is 4, and 11 plus 4 is 15. So the top is over. As for z, z is 3. And finally, 15 divide 3 is 5. Let's do the same thing with 4. First, just the top, then just the bottom. Up top, we're going to have a, which is 2, plus 7 times b, which is 1. 7 times 1 is 7, and 2 plus 7 is 9. As for the bottom, a is 2 minus 5 times b is 1. 5 times 1 is 5, but 2 minus 5 is negative 3. And then in the end, 9 divide negative 3 is negative 3. Number 5 would like us to translate from English into Mathish, if you will. Well, notice the key word, product. product just means multiply. That's it. And they want us to multiply 7 with a number. So it's really 7 times x, or just 7x. Number 6 says the sum. The word sum means add. Well, what should we add? We should add 12. Okay, 12. And then twice the number. Twice means 2x. That's it. Number 7, I see the word difference. Difference means subtract. Well, what should we subtract? Twice a number, so that means 2x. What else? And 2. 2x minus 2. Find the quotient. 8 is a trick question. If you were to put 4 divided by 0 in the calculator, you're going to get a trick question. You're going to get an error message. And sometimes error is good. In this case, it's undefined. And that's what the answer is, undefined. But 0 on top, there is an answer. It's just 0. As for negative 28 divided 7, well, 28 divided 7 is 4, and negative divided positive is still negative. So the answer is negative 4. Number 11 would like us to determine if 1 is the solution. What that means is we should replace the letter b with 1. If in the end we get back negative 4, the answer is yes, this is a solution. If we get back anything else, no, it's not a solution. Let's find out. One minus 3 is negative 2. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, which is a match. So the answer, yes. Number 12 would like to see if 5 is a solution. Let's replace z with 5 and see what happens. Let's see if both sides are the same. 5 minus 2 is 3. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. Plus 5 is negative 4. Okay, well, let's plug 5 into z on the other side. If we get back negative 4, the answer is yes. If we get back anything else, the answer is no. Well, 5 minus 1 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. They are not the same, so the answer is no. And that concludes part 1. So, click on the link on our Google Sites website, and we will continue with part 2 of our Test 1 review. Thank you.